Okay.
Would be nice.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So
especially for the vacuums, I know that these will sell because there's a lot of car washes in the Caribbean, especially like in the various communities. And what I realized, like the regular vacuums, they don't last long. So the industrial vacuums would be like a better
okay.
choice.
但那边很多人喜欢买这款的，比较好一点。所以希望你们可以合作，比如说这款在大家市场里面做。
我现在就是有图示嘛，我也有，你们有没有微信？我们中国的微信，有微信可以加微信嘛？我给你图示，你写一下你需要哪一款，
哪一款？
再需要哪一款，然后我再给你做个价格表。
价格表。Okay. He said that you add his WeChat later. He will give you the business like price list because you cannot say it in the video, so it's more private. So you talk to your WeChat privately about this one. You change the price list of everything you have in the catalog. This is only distributor price list, not like
regular price.
Not regular price, you know. So you give you the price, and then you can go and check yourself and decide which one you want and which one you want to start. But you can introduce all to your client and see which one is selling well, and based on that you get the.
Okay, that would be good because I can also introduce them to this and see if any of them are interested in this type. For the hotels, I know that they use a lot of kettles, they use a lot of bins. Some of them they use a lot of like mini fridge because a lot of the rooms have mini fridge, especially like those that you see here. So I know that those things. They need a lot of those things and a lot of like cleaning material, gloves, boots, buckets, things like those.
Okay.
They use a lot of those small things.
那加个微信。
对，加个微信。So you're gonna add your WeChat and you will change it. 还行，可以的。
这个微信。
I'm putting it on the video. 你别放视频里面。I'll put the WeChat on the video. You can cut it later, okay? Okay. So he's asking you which one you think you can be a best seller in your market, right?
Which one of the products?
Yeah, you think it could be the best seller?
Well, I know that car washes use a lot of like the industrial vacuums and also the hotel use a lot of cleaning materials and there's a lot of hotels back home, so I know that would be like a good department for the hotels.
Okay, but which product? Which specific product?
Which specific product? Probably like cleaning equipment, like the ones that they use for the floors in the hotels.
Okay.
我也拿个手机也来拍一拍。
So more like the cleaning products, that would be the best bet. Cleaning equipment.
Cleaning equipment. Okay. Okay. So
So guys, he's going to open to see the quality. So he's going to show us what the product looks like. And he said also that someone in the Caribbean ordered these goods and it's really a lot.
Vérification avant de terminer. Okay.
These kettles are nice.
Okay, ça marche. Okay. 下面你讲的怎么样？可以插头了，都有。
插头可以拔出来。
有插头，OK， 已经不错了。其他，OK。
It's retractable.
OK. So.
That's not bad.
放里面就行了，里面有人。
Ici, il semble checker la qualité. This is quality inspection. Ok, merci. Ok, c'est bon, c'est bon. Donc c'est déjà bien vérifié. Voilà. Il y en a plusieurs. Donc Le conteneur. So you have to check like this before loading. Okay, stay tuned. Okay. Donc, on fait une vérification un peu plus rapide.
The quality is actually pretty good for the kettle.
Oh.
And this one is the telephone.
Not telephone.
Which one is it?
I don't know. Let's see. Go replace different order. I think this is common vacuum, like for the hair dryer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. It's nice.
Okay. Okay. So you can see compose.
Oh, so it can be attached to like a wall.
It
comes with a stand. It's nice.
Good job. Ok, voilà, 5 là. Bien besoin. All of this.